How to make money by podcasting. Podcasting has evolved from a niche hobby into a booming industry, providing countless creators with opportunities to generate income. In 2025, with technology, monetization platforms, and audience behaviors changing rapidly, podcasters can tap into numerous streams of revenue. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your podcast into a profitable brand, understanding the right strategies is key. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Sponsorships and advertisements. Sponsorship remains one of the most common and lucrative income streams for podcasters. In 2025, brands are allocating larger portions of their marketing budgets to podcast sponsorships due to the deep trust and connection podcasters build with their audiences. Whether you have 1,000 listeners or 1 million, you can find sponsors tailored to your niche. The key lies in creating high-quality, consistent content and demonstrating strong listener engagement. Modern platforms now automate ad placements, offer dynamic ad insertion, and help match you with potential sponsors. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has grown exponentially in the podcasting world. Instead of traditional ads, affiliate marketing allows you to promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link or code. In 2025, affiliate programs have become more sophisticated, often offering podcasters real-time dashboards, advanced analytics, and higher commissions. This method works especially well for creators in tech, finance, wellness, and lifestyle niches, where product recommendations can easily be integrated into content. Premium content and subscriptions. With listeners becoming more willing to pay for exclusive content, premium podcast subscriptions have become a significant income source. Services like Apple Podcast subscriptions, Spotify paid subscriptions, and Patreon provide platforms to host bonus episodes, ad-free versions, early access, or behind-the-scenes content. In 2025, creators can offer tiered access levels and bundle digital products, creating sustainable recurring revenue. Listeners value intimate and in-depth content and are happy to support creators they trust. Crowdfunding and listener donations. Crowdfunding remains a powerful tool, especially for independent podcasters. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, and Ko-Fi continue to thrive in 2025, allowing fans to support their favorite shows directly. Whether it's a one-time donation or ongoing support, these contributions can be a game changer, particularly for smaller creators. Adding value through thank you notes, shout-outs, or exclusive content can incentivize donations. Transparency and authenticity are key in building that donor trust and support. Selling merchandise. Merchandising is a fun and profitable way to monetize your podcast and strengthen your brand identity. In 2025, tools like Printful, Teespring, and Shopify have streamlined print-on-demand services, making it easy to sell apparel, mugs, posters, and more. Podcast fans love representing shows they enjoy. Custom designs, inside jokes, or episode catchphrases work great. Promoting merchant episodes and linking your store on podcast platforms or social media enhances conversion rates. Hosting live events and virtual experiences. Live events bring your podcast community together in real life or virtually and offer new revenue opportunities. From live recordings and sessions to workshops or networking meetups, the possibilities in 2025 are endless. Platforms like Eventbrite, Hopin, and Zoom now support integrated ticketing and monetization. Hosting events increases engagement and allows podcasters to charge admission, sell exclusive content, or collaborate with other creators. These events can also attract sponsorships and help grow your audience. Selling courses or consulting services. If your podcast showcases your expertise in a specific field, be it marketing, fitness, investing, or personal development, listeners will see you as an authority. In 2025, creators are successfully converting that trust into high-ticket digital products. You can sell online courses or offer one-on-one coaching sessions. Tools like Kajabi, Teachable, and Podia make it easy to build and sell digital products. Mentioning these services during episodes can help build awareness and drive sales organically. Licensing and syndication deals. Licensing your podcast to other media outlets or platforms is a high-reward monetization strategy. In 2025, companies are actively seeking high-quality content to syndicate across their networks. If your show gains traction, you can license episodes to platforms, radio stations, or even streaming services. Some podcasts are being adapted into video shows or audiobooks. These deals can lead to lump sum payments, royalties, or exclusive distribution agreements that significantly boost your podcast revenue and exposure. Podcast networks and collective deals. Joining a podcast network can offer significant advantages, especially in terms of advertising and cross-promotion. Networks often have connections to larger advertisers and can bring more consistent ad revenue. In 2025, many networks are offering revenue-sharing deals, joint sponsorship opportunities, and even production support. While networks may take a cut, they can help scale your show faster and reduce your workload. Make sure to review contracts carefully to retain creative control and fair earnings. Repurposing content into books, blogs, or YouTube channels. Podcast content can be repurposed into multiple formats to reach wider audiences and generate new income streams. Transcribe episodes into blog posts, turn your insights into an ebook, or post highlights on YouTube. In 2025, AI-powered tools make content repurposing faster than ever. This not only expands your reach, but opens up ad revenue on YouTube, Kindle royalties, or sponsored blog posts. Diversifying your content helps you leverage each episode to its fullest potential. Transforming audio content into written or video formats lets you monetize in other ecosystems like YouTube or Amazon Kindle, tapping into new revenue streams and audiences. Podcasting in 2025 is no longer just a creative outlet. It's a legitimate and diversified business model. With the right strategies, creators can turn their passion into a sustainable income source. From ad revenue and affiliate sales to subscriptions and licensing deals, the monetization landscape is rich and ever-evolving. The most successful podcasters are those who consistently engage with their audience, explore multiple income channels, and adapt to new tools and trends. Start by mastering one method, then layer others to create a resilient and profitable podcasting empire. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.